What's up, Dope fam? Your boy out here with another YouTube video. Today we're gonna be upgrading my low beam headlights and my fog lights. Today's video is sponsored by Oxbeam. Shout out my sponsor. Make sure to check out the links down below if you guys want to catch any of these products. I also have some discount codes, link in the description. I'll probably also post them here. But yeah, make sure to check them out, guys. We're gonna be installing their new version of their LED headlights and some of these LED fog lights. So I will be installing half the truck just so we can test out differences at night between the old version and the new version. So we'll get started by installing, I'll do the driver's side, and then at night I'll show you guys the difference, if there is any difference. But I can already tell there is a difference on the headlight just by the way they look. They do look a little bit smaller, maybe more clearance in the back. I'll show you guys once I get inside the truck. If you guys didn't see my other video when I did the last Oxbeam headlights, I cut the headlight bracket in order for the headlights, or in order for the little fan on the LED to fit. But on these it seems like they're not as fat, and maybe you won't need to cut them. So I guess we'll check that out, and yeah. The old Oxbeam version, and then their new version. See how I'm telling you it's not as fat? Even the ballast is smaller on this one. So I guess we'll see which one is better, the new version or the old version. So like I said, I'm only gonna install the driver's side. That way we can test out the difference at night. And then obviously I'll switch them all to the new ones after that. You can also see right here where I told you that I had a cut there, and I had a cut here, this area, because this fan is fat and I didn't have enough clearance pretty much. But with these new ones, it seems like I won't have to, well, it's already cut, but if you're getting these for your truck and you're not already have the bracket cut, you don't have to. But yeah, that's a big plus. So I'm gonna start by unplugging these and plugging the new ones in. So yeah, definitely there is enough clearance for the newer Oxbeam LEDs than the older one. So yes, I'll have the high beam one for the older one. But yeah, you can tell there will be no cutting required with the new ones. And I do have my housings blacked out, so they won't be as bright as there should be, but you'll still be able to tell the difference between the old ones and the new ones just because both are blacked out. But yeah, if you get these, they'll definitely be brighter on yours because yours would be originally chrome and they will reflect more. Alright, got the headlights installed. Time to do the fog lights. So these are definitely different. These aren't aux beam, these are from a different brand, but these aux beam ones are just regular like LED. These are like more like the headlight ones where they have the fan and everything. So I guess we'll see what was brighter. Definitely less equipment with this one. But like I said, we'll test out one side first, and then we'll wait till it's nighttime, and we'll see which is brighter. Looks good. Looks good. So yeah guys, we'll wait till it gets darker and then we'll test out. So this is going to be the original side, and that's going to be the new aux beam side. Yeah guys, so I got this Dupli color vinyl and fabric paint. Gonna test it out. I must paint the handrest of the dash, since it is like a vinyl material. I'm gonna paint it, see how it turns out. If I like it, then I'll go ahead and start doing everything that's vinyl on the truck. Starting with the armrest, and then moving down to the airbag. Probably some of the other armrests like up here. I might paint the visor red too. When I start painting the door panels, there's vinyl right here. So we'll see if this works out. If not, then we'll try something else. I'm gonna start off by removing the air vents to get access to two clips or push pins or buttons, whatever you want to call them, that are behind the dash or inside the dash that you gotta press to release the whole armrest. Right up here, you're gonna feel them. That's pretty much what you remove it. Right, once we have it off, we're gonna go ahead and degrease it, clean it up real good, tape off whatever we don't want to paint, just go ahead and start painting. this is how my setup. I got it taped up to my clothes hanger, suspending in the air. Get it from this angle. Get it from this angle. This angle. Yeah, and so on. And then we'll let it dry. And then we'll see how it comes out. It says it needs 2 to 3 light coats until the surface is evenly coated. Spray from 8 to 10 inches away. And I guess you just let it dry for 30 minutes to an hour. And yeah. Let's see how this comes out. That's our third coat, guys. I might give it one more just to make sure, because it was a dark color. If it was like a tan color, lighter color, 3 probably would have been fine. But since it was like a dark charcoal, I want to give it just a 4th coat just to make sure. Alright guys, I think I'm satisfied with the color now. I get about 4.5 coats. Let's give it an hour to time to dry. And then we'll come back and we'll reinstall it and see what it looks like.
1 hour later.
Feels dry to the touch. Looks good, to be honest. I like it. Now let's get it off and go reinstall it. What do you guys think? I think that shit looks tight. I think it looks tight. Real good. Doesn't even feel like painted or anything. I guess I have to go, guys. Airbags next. Sun visor next. Little sun visor clips next. Light next. Clothes hanger next. And armrest next. And then we'll get to the doors eventually. I still want to do the 4 panels. Still gotta do those. Still gotta do this whole dash part. I'm gonna leave the dash last because I don't know what I want to do with it yet. I don't know if I might paint it the same or I might get it wrapped. I'm trying to get a quote of how much it would be to wrap the whole dash in like a red leather. So if it's too expensive, then I'll just paint it. But yeah, damn, this looks good. Alright guys, well, I think it's getting dark enough where we can test out these LED lights. What do you guys think? guys? Which one looks more brighter to you guys? I mean, they look the same to me, to be honest. Maybe if it gets a little bit darker, you'll be able to tell more. But I definitely like the upgrade on the new headlights. Way smaller of a fan, so you get more clearance. You don't have to cut nothing. That's a good upgrade. The fog lights, I do like how it's just the LED by itself, and it's not the whole wire with the balance and everything hanging underneath the truck. But brightness seems pretty much the same. But yeah, guys, I mean, that's the end of the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to turn on the bell notification for more future videos. Also, make sure to follow me on OneSlowHD_Bulls and on Dope Theft. I might get a quick clip of it when it's pitch black. See if that does any of a difference for the brightness. But man, these LED fog lights and some headlights, clean. I just love the color of this crisp white. If you guys want to buy yourself some sets of headlights, fog lights, they even got turn signals, they got everything. Check out Oxbeam. I'll put their link down in the description. Also with some discount codes, so you guys can get themselves some LEDs for the low. But yeah, guys, have a good day.
Perfect, 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 perfect.